Okay, so Lumia Nodes has blown away. So that is very interesting. They sold over 3,575 nodes in around 20 hours when I'm doing this video. So the biggest question is how many tokens you can make now every day, and how much money you can make, and how fast you can ROI. So watch the video to the end, and I'm going to go through my own personal numbers. Now, Lumia Nodes has been exploding. It's live for the less than 20 hours and it's been freaking exploding. Why? Because, well, just to go back, watch my video from yesterday to see how you can buy the node live, but I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you bullet points, everything right here. And make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. I'm just giving you my own personal opinion, which means I'm not your mama and papa, your money, your issues, your problems. Now, this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Orion token is already live for 4-5 years, and the same team from Orion going to become Lumia Nodes. They had a vote, they agree, and they going to bring the nodes. So the Orion token going to become Lumia token, and very, very soon, I believe in the next few weeks time. Now, that's the good stuff because the token is already out yet. It's listed on KuCoin, Binex, BitGet, Binance, it was also on Coinbase. I'm not sure why it's not here, but it's already listed on major exchange, so they will just swap the name. Now, what are the good stuff for Lumia and how many tokens we earn? Before we go there, let me just give you a few things. Go to their Twitter. My Twitter is suspended, by the way. I post something for political and I guess got suspended. Crazy. I'm trying to fix that. But go to their Twitter and you will see here they have a big AMA. Go and listen. You will understand a lot of information, what they're doing and why. That is one of the reasons why they're selling a lot, because go and check them out. But in the nutshell, check this out. So Lumia is huge. Why? Because they provide the licenses. So Lumia Nodes is important because providing the licenses for the operation rights of virtual Lumia machines. That's for the node why you give you. So hypernodes, that's the name of the nodes. Owners will be entitled to all sorts of rewards, including 50% of the newly minted tokens for the all supply, for the ecosystem, airdrop, referral rewards, and much, much more. So go and watch this video. You will see the team is all docs. You have all the links in. Go and check them out. And that's how you do your own research. They already have 86,000 views, what is crazy, but you know, they sold over 3,000 nodes. Now, how many tokens we earn and how much money we can make. So when you connect, go and watch the video from yesterday. You need VPN. Make sure you use a VPN and choose different countries because all countries also in the VPN sometimes doesn't work. Make sure you use the code FEEL08 when you, after you connect, you approve that you connect. Make sure you use a ledger or any hardware wallet just to connect. Then this is on Matic chain, so you buy and you hold the node. That's about it. It's a digital node, but there are many ways to make money. Now, you need VPN, you need wallet, Rabi or MetaMask, okay? Don't send money from Binance. You need a wallet right here, like a Rabi or MetaMask. I'm using Rabi. Connect your ledger or any hardware wallet. That's for your own security. That's my highly recommendation. Use a always hardware wallet. And then have a Matic, at least one Matic, what's like 50 cents, 40 cents. And also make sure you have $1,000 USDT. Make sure you have like maybe 1,005 just to buy the nodes. Once you connect, okay, then you go to buy the node and then you press here 1. You put here FEEL08 and make sure you agree here for, you tick this one. I don't know why it's so damn dark. They should be more light here. Make sure you tick here and then you add the code FEEL08 right here, FEEL08, and I'm going to do some giveaway in the next 2 or 3 weeks, the same as I did for Lumia Nodes. Sorry, for Agent Layer, I give away 1 free node. I will speak with the team. If they can give me 1 for the giveaway, it will be great, but I cannot promise you. But what I can say, I can give away the same, like I will choose few people and I'll send you 40-50 bucks each from everybody who used my referral, and thank you so much. Now, for Agent Layer, I choose 3 winners 2 days ago, and I'm going to send you 40 bucks probably by the end of today or over the weekend because I've been extremely busy, but I need to do some full update video for Agent Layer, and then probably is the best time to send you the money. Thank you so much for everybody who's using my code. You're not obligated. If you use my code, thank you so much. Again, disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Okay, so let's go back. So how many tokens we earn? At the moment, there are 3,575 tokens, nodes sold, and we earning around 100,000 split between everybody, okay? So in the nutshell, let's get the calculator. So this is the max. So if they are at the moment, so how many tokens I earn? 0. Why? Because the team told me, I think I chat over there, and they say because due to the RPC from the Matic, you cannot see your rewards, but all will be calculated probably in the next 24 hours, and all the paid rewards are every night. So it depends how many nodes are sold. These daily rewards is split between everybody. As I understand, there will be 85,000 split between everybody who hold the nodes, and 17,000 tokens every day. This is every day. They will be split for everybody who have. It depends how many nodes you have, how many referrals, and so on and so on. Okay, so I got out of breath. So that's about it. So you connect, you buy, you use crypto Phil08, the code. You make sure you agree, you buy that node. So how many tokens we get, and then you need to approve twice. And you can see here your nodes, and here tomorrow we're going to see how many tokens we have earned. I believe we should be around 35-40 the first day because they finish around 3,000. But let's do the math. How many we can earn probably tomorrow if you buy the node right now. Also, don't forget they're having something like staking, what is not live yet, will be live in the next few hours when I'm doing this video. So they have a different way to stake, to delegate your node to earn more tokens, and you can stake here for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. This is the most way how I made my money with Delicious. My stake for 6 months, 12 months, 1 year, and even 2 years, and that's the most tokens I earned. But 2 years I still need to wait for almost 9 more months. What is crazy? So make sure you understand, you read, and also when you get the tokens, they're locked for 90 days. So make sure you understand that if you take your tokens early, you get some penalty. So do your research. Check my video from a couple of days ago where I go through all of this. So also check this out, how you can delegate, and maybe 3 months is good for you, maybe 6, maybe 12, or maybe none. You don't need to delegate. So how many tokens we can earn? Let me see if I'm recording, by the way. Yes, 7 minutes. So how many tokens we can earn? Simple like that. So there are 3,600. Okay. So if there are 100,000 tokens split between, let's say, 3,600 nodes, we're going to earn 28 tokens right now. But as I understand, there will be 85,000 split between everybody. Let's say 3,600. 600. So we're going to earn around 24, and then the rest will be depends how many nodes you have and how many referrals, so you can get a little bit more. So let's say roughly around 23, 25 tokens per day. Okay, so that's not a lot, to be honest. But if they do like they say, if they the price should be swapped with Orion, what is holding around steady around 140, 151, went up to 230. But let's say if Orion tokens around 120 when the swap happen, what will be very soon in the next few weeks, that's mean if we're earning around 25 tokens per day for the moment, how many we say 23? So 23. And if we combine by 1 point, let's say 4, okay, let's be a little bit pessimistic, we're going to earn about 33 bucks right now if the price stays the same. If the price blow up because people cannot sell the day number 1, why? Because they'll be locked. If you want to sell them, they will be with penalty, and that's mean if the price blow up by double, that's mean you're going to earn around 50-60 bucks per day, and if the price go down double, down way, you're going to earn around 15 bucks per day. So you do the maths if this node is worth it for you. It's 1,000 bucks, so if you earning around 33 bucks per day in only 30 days, we can ROI, what is very good for a node to ROI. If it's a very good node, if you're very lucky, if we are all lucky, if we ROI the first, I would say, a month, we are after the token is out, we are extremely lucky. If we ROI the first 3 months, we are in the good position, and we are very good. So we are extremely well in 1 month, very good in 3 months, and in 6 months if we ROI, we did well. If we ROI in 1 year, and that's maybe it's not very good, but hey, it is what it is. Don't forget, this is going to pay for the next 12 years, but the most tokens given will be in the next 2-3 years time, because this daily reward is going to split every 1 year. So next year will be 50,000, the year after 25,000, the year after 12,000 tokens. That means it's becoming very deflationary with the time being. All right, so thank you so much. The video is becoming extremely long. I hope I explained everything. If you have any question, hit me down in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to answer to all of you. Again, use my code, it's CryptoPhil, and I hope we're going to be a nice, huge winner for this year and also for the next one. Just imagine if the bull market come next year and we're having tokens, 15, 20 tokens every single day, and we're earning a couple of, if this is like 2-3 bucks, we're earning 40-50 bucks a day. Hey, happy days. But if this is like 10 cents, well, we are screwed. All right, love you all. See you in the next one.